Hello! No more Vlogmas, so this is a regular video that'll probably be up next Wednesday. But we're going to pack or move stuff around from Tatum's house to her dorm. And she's going to Arizona and leaving me.
Yay! Well, not yay that I'm leaving, but still.
So that's plan. You're right. Home.
Way too much.
Way too much.
Don't ever do what I did.
This is only the second round. It's fine. Got a girl, right?
Oh my gosh. Sorry.
Update. We're trapped.
Did you close the trunk?
Too. Yes.
Okay.
I did.
On our way.
Silly. What happened to you getting scooters?
Oh yeah.
I don't want it anymore.
Alright. We'll get it before we leave.
Just moving back.
Moving back in.
I don't know why we need that much. There's more ladies who said, oh shoot. Well.
Huh? Oh, thanks.
We did well.
Yeah, we did.
2 trips.
We did okay.
We're going to AZ! Well,
I am.
first time. Well, is it open? Because
They're supposed to be open
What?
today.
no, they definitely are. I'm confused. The car's blocking it. No one's in the van. What? There's definitely people in there. I'm so confused. Well, I guess we're not getting scooters.
I'm so hurt right now.
Like,
I'm the only place that carried pumpkin.
I don't even like copying and that kind of thing, so I was excited. The open
What the
sign's
frick?
not on.
The what sign?
The open sign is not on.
Yeah, and their light would be on, that scooter's light. I'm so hurt. Okay, so listen to this. So my manager at work, his wife is the manager here, and he told me they'd open the day after Christmas. And guess what today is? I'm hurt. I'm done. I'm gonna call
Your
Craig.
friend needs a job. Ask if they hired Carney.
They-
That's sad. And Carney. Carney.
I'm so hella hurt right now. God.
Well, now we're not gonna get coffee. We're gonna go to Walmart.
You're so bad at that.
I know. We're
Worst
balling.
vlogger ever.
Thank you.
You have to be
You
me.
need to support me.
190.
Yeah, I'm rich. Not really.
Not at all, but
Okay.
guess where we
Wanna
are.
go out in the rain.
Guess where we are.
Mart de Walt.
Mart Day Wall.
I'm gonna put our hood up.
Yeah, in my hood, and I'm gonna run out in this.
Let's go.
Regrets. All right.
Gotta get that nail fixed. Show them the
Gotta
nail.
get that nail fixed.
Show 'em.
Oh. It's this nail. I'm sorry. Here, I'll show it like that. That's
Okay.
better. Other than just flipping off the camera.
And I'm gonna buy a coat.
Let's go!
What are we jamming out? We show them what we're jamming out to Jar of Hearts. Who's this by again? Oh, Christina Perry. While we're on our way to this. Don't come back here. Don't worry, we're coming.
Are you hot or is that just me?
I don't really know.
My face is warm.
Those windshield wipers are really going at it though. Like,
It's really raining out here. They better have windshield wipers on the plane. That's all I'm saying.
I'm ending this video.
They said John will hear it all the way in Arizona. You need to edit that out.
Where's Santa? Oh, I just asked. I always like update like late, you know, like
I
we
know.
did this stuff, and then here I am telling you what we did. But now we're going to Richmond.
That's what shoes I forgot. I wanted to take my Adidas neon little, because they're Adidas with the street stripes and they're white.
You
Do we
did.
have time to, no, I didn't bring them.
Yeah, you did.
No, the tennis shoe.
Oh.
Ah,
No, we do not have time to go back. She just asked if we have time to go back. We're already in a different town.
I really wanted to wear those.
Just buy them. Just go buy them. Oh, she goes to UNK too. Rep. She's staring at you. I don't know, I just wear their
no
stuff.
clue, but I have so much of their gear.
For some reason, she likes the bowls. They don't really have anything that I like.
No, you would so look nasty
Nope.
in that.
Nope. Oh, this is kind of cute. Are we feeling this?
The word kind of. Ooh.
Isn't it cute?
Yes.
How much is
and
it?
look at this.
Eh.
It's an extra small.
Oof, I don't know if it's $19 cute. Is there any sale around here? Nope. Guess we ain't getting it. You really don't need it.
It's $8.
No.
I want it so bad. Okay, I do not need a duck for my
Is there any
keychain.
cute earrings? Nope.
Not any that won't turn your head green.
That
completely.
is very true.
But look at my merch.
Did you say look at your merch? What did you just say?
My merch.
People driving in a car, like, but we finna go get some sesame chicken
Panda.
and some Dr. Pepper.
Are you in the mood for some Dr. Pepper?
Yes.
Okay.
You have date. Oh, puddles. Goodness. I wonder, okay, do you know that? Do you know that one video when I was like, Mark Day Wall, and then my voice came out really scary? Yeah. I hope you didn't do that today.
Mark Day Wall. Bored man.
It came out so scary.
I'm really sad.
We're getting so close to the airport.
I know.
It's so sad.
We're getting so close and like I'm gonna have to say goodbye to you and I'm not ready.
Maybe there'll be a plane ticket on sale now.
For $50.
I could go. That's all I get aboard.
We could take my clothes. You'd be
50 bucks to
fine.
fly, 50 to spend while in Arizona. Actually, no, I need a returning flight, so.
You'd be.
And that's at work, so that's not happening. We're at the airport. You're so red right now. Alright. This is kind of a cute little wooden airport. It's cute.
Okay, I need to put on mascara and then I need to cry it off and then I need to put more on.
I'm done. I'm like trapped. Hey! So, wow. This lighting is wonderful, but I just dropped off Tatum. Well, not just dropped off. That was totally a long time ago. And then I did one more shopping. Ugh, I got something from Burlington. I don't know why I'm grabbing the bag. And now I'm picking up my friend Kyla. In the rain. I can't see her. Do I need to unlock the door? That looks kind of creepy. It's just a body on it. For some reason, my phone. What'd you get? A hot fudge shake. And what did I get? A Reese's peanut butter something or another.
Blast.
Looks pretty good. Ooh, that camera quality though.
Ooh.